Right, just doing what I call a maintenance run. Doing a maintenance run of the boiler house. It's not been, I've only just lit it, so a little bit of steam coming out. Probably not enough to run it yet. I've hooked it up with a little Fleischmann Blacksmith, and we'll see how we go. Now, I haven't tapped it down, so I'm just hoping that it'll work on just light pressure. But if you remember, this is the boiler house dole that was in a complete mess when I first got it, and actually turned out quite nice. Got a little bit of condensation coming through already. Turned out quite nice, this model. It's different, so I quite like it. A little bit of condensation coming through. I don't think it'll be long. I quite like this one. Mainly because it's probably one of the worst conditioned ones I've ever got. And it turned out alright. Managed to keep all the original colour to the bricks. I didn't paint much at all. Lot of original colour on the base, but the bricks, yeah. Alright, see if I think she's going to go. There she goes. Look at that. I'll slow it down a little bit. I'm not sure I'll be able to slow it down too much because of the it's actually working. It's doing some work, isn't it? Because got the little I like to try and get them at a reasonable speed, but because it's working, you need to get the speed up. That's acceptable. It's a nice model, this one. Nice to see them doing something. Quite a good little model, that Fleischmann. No leaks. Which was a bit of a result considering the state it was in when I got it. I think what I'll do on my upcoming maintenance runs, I don't like to have them sitting on the shelf doing nothing. You can see the cobwebs here, look, there's cobwebs. It's just been sat on the shelf, but I like to run them now and again. And what I'm going to do from there on is when I run one, I'll run a toy with it as well. Make it a bit more interesting. But this was a lovely model. It's something different. I haven't got a chimney. I have to dig out a chimney. I've never had a chimney for it. runs very nice. It looks like I could probably put a little belt on that, on the pulley there, to run the governor. It's running quite nice. Just not say that anymore. Then we get a bit of wheel spin. Yeah, good model. I'm quite pleased with that. I've got a lot of models. All these boxes up here are all models. So I'll get them down. Just do one at a time. The whistle works. Yeah, whistle works and all. A lot of whistles don't work. They let air out and steam, but they don't whistle. That whistle's nice. I've got a few other ones coming up, so I bought a selection of models the other day, and these ship's models come in here. So I'm going to be doing a video on that. This was another little ship's model, lovely little one, very well made. And I've got another little Stuart Turner. That's a Stuart Turner as well. Double 10. That's we'll probably do that later on, but got running this on with Bix on a low flame, similar to what it would have been from original. I've got the original burner, but one of these got stuck in there, and I haven't got something else to put in with it. So because that was the one for that, I think. Anyway guys, I hope you like that. I've got some quite a lot coming up, so do like and subscribe. There's a lot coming up. Just waiting for deliveries. Some of the courier companies have let me down. Anyway, I'll leave it there guys, and I hope you like it. But yeah, I'm pleased with this model, and see you again soon. Cheers guys.